said that what we're drawing is inside the basket here. All I see is a leftover peanut butter sandwich. Are we drawing a peanut butter sandwich?
No, keep looking.
Okay. Oh, something's moving around. Oh, hello there. Oh, what a cutie. Well, it looks like we're going to be drawing an Easter bunny in a basket. Why don't we head over to the studio and get started? All right, I hope you got your pencil and eraser and obviously some paper, and why don't we get started on this cute bunny in a basket. So what we're going to do is start with the top of the head. A lot of times you just start with that top of the head being the top half of a circle. So what we're going to do is the top half of the head first, nice and easy. Then we're going to have the cheeks sticking out just a little bit. And in this case, we could actually move all the way around to the bottom. So the top half of a circle, we got the cheeks sticking out a little bit. And then what we could do are, we start in with the eyes with just circles or ovals. And the bunny's going to be looking right at us. So you could have the same size ovals there if you guys want. You could have another smaller circle in the top there, and I could just shade in real quick, something like that, just so you guys could see. So that's going to be that light shining on in the eye. Then for the nose, we're going to move down right between. It's kind of an upside down triangle, upside down pyramid, just like that. And then there's going to be a line, straight line coming down the bottom here, right? Like that. And then what's going to happen is it's kind of like you're doing a W. So it's kind of a long W like that. And just underneath the W, we have just a big tooth like that, maybe one tooth with a line coming down the middle, kind of just like that. And in the corners of the mouth, if you want to make some more curved lines, you certainly can. We'll come back for the whiskers. So what we want to do is for the ears, you guys could have them however you want. Maybe the ears are kind of like this on one side. It's really kind of like a long oval or almost like a fin. And then on the other side, maybe the ear is off to the side like this, however you want. And you'd have another little shape, the same kind of shape on the inside. That would be the inside of the ears. So the same shape on the inside. We can come down, I guess we could do the whiskers now. The whiskers are just going to be some curved lines coming out to either side, like that. You could do 3 whiskers if you want. And then what we're going to do, since the bunny's in the basket, you're just going to see the paws. So the paws are just going to be ovals on either side of the cheek area, just underneath the body. So those are going to be the paws that we see, and then we'll do the basket and a little bit of the background. So you could really just go like this with some curved lines for the paws. And then what you could do is just have a line going between the paws. That's going to be part of the basket, as you'll see in just a second. And then what we have underneath the paws is the bottom of the basket could really just be just a U shape. So the bunny is inside the basket, and then the inside is going to be kind of like a C on the one side, and then the backward C on the other side. So this is the inside of the basket, and this is wrapped around the side there. And then all we have to do is really maybe go up and around. Maybe it goes behind the ears. We just have to have a handle there. So it's up and around 2 lines. So you get that thickness of the handle, and you have the handle. If you want to put some extra curved lines there, then you can, just like a basket would look. And so there's just some curved lines there, maybe some lines on the basket that are just curved. They're just longer curves like this. And then maybe it's in the grass there, and maybe there's a line in the background for some more grass. Maybe there's some eggs hidden in the grass, which you could do kind of like that, just like an upside down U, and then you'd have some grass underneath there, which is just kind of some jagged lines there, and these would be the eggs. So I might just continue with that and do some color in the background and think of something interesting for the background, and we'll see you a little bit later. Thanks for joining us on Art Party. Hope you had fun. As always, you could like and subscribe for free. We'll be coming up with some new videos real soon. And why don't we make the world a more beautiful place, one drawing at a time? Thanks for joining the party.